Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the home of architectural elegance, cinematic luxury, and the most breathtaking properties in the United States. Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey through a modern Malibu masterpiece, a home worth $47.5 million, designed to redefine the meaning of perfection. Nestled at 5012 Carbon Beach Terrace in Malibu, California, this magnificent estate overlooks the world-famous Pacific coastline, offering more than 21 acres of absolute serenity, sophistication, and design brilliance. As the cinematic drone rises above the Malibu hills, the house appears like a dream, the upper floors glowing softly in pink tones while the lower levels shimmer in silver reflections. Every curve, every panel, every window has been placed with purpose. This is not just architecture, this is art suspended between the sky and the ocean. The view from above reveals the mansion's elegant geometry surrounded by palm trees and green landscapes, with the Pacific Ocean stretching endlessly in the background. Approaching from the driveway, the exterior view showcases a bold glass structure kissed by sunlight, where silver meets blush pink in a modern harmony. The entrance welcomes you with a giant glass pivot door that opens into a world of design and tranquility. The foyer greets visitors with marble floors, silver highlights, and a gentle cascade of pink lighting that creates the perfect balance between energy and calm. Inside, the air feels alive with luxury. The spacious living and TV lounge areas are wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass, allowing the ocean's rhythm to become part of the home's heartbeat. Plush designer furniture, subtle pink glows, and minimalist silver decor make this space both artistic and comfortable, perfect for evenings filled with laughter, cinema, or quiet ocean watching. Moving through the home, we find the staircase, a sculptural silver spiral highlighted by glowing pink LEDs, gracefully connecting every floor like a ribbon of light. The master suite continues this poetry of space and light, featuring a king-sized bed, silver headboard, and an entire glass wall that opens to the breathtaking Malibu horizon. When you wake up here, the ocean is your first sight, and when you rest, the stars are your ceiling. The bathroom feels more like a private spa, finished in silver marble, softened by rose-pink light, and facing a panoramic window that gives you the ultimate bath with a view. The freestanding tub, double vanity, and rainfall shower all echo a sense of calm sophistication. Just beyond, the kitchen stands as the true heart of this home, sleek, open, and functional, where silver countertops meet smart appliances, all illuminated by soft pink ambient lighting. This is where luxury meets lifestyle, where every meal feels like a celebration. Adjacent to the kitchen lies a dining area that overlooks the ocean, featuring a silver glass table surrounded by designer chairs, and above it, a pink chandelier glowing warmly like a sunset frozen in crystal. Every dinner here feels cinematic, as waves crash gently in the distance and Malibu's golden hour light paints the walls. Descending to the lower level, the garage is no ordinary space, it's a collector's gallery. Behind glass walls and silver flooring, exotic cars rest under ambient pink lights. Ferrari, Lamborghini, Tesla, each one perfectly aligned, reflecting the owner's taste for speed and sophistication. As night falls, the mansion transforms completely. The pink tones of the upper structure illuminate softly under the moonlight, while silver accents reflect the pool's turquoise glow. The infinity pool, stretching seamlessly toward the Pacific, mirrors the stars above. This is Malibu luxury, at its finest, a perfect blend of architectural genius and natural beauty. From the drone's aerial view, the entire estate looks like a glowing jewel set on the California coastline. The soft pink top and silver foundation create a contrast that's both modern and ethereal. It's a home built not just to live in, but to be remembered, to inspire awe in every guest and pride in every sunset. Designed by Burge Architects, captured by Anthony Barcelo Photography, and represented by Ani Dermenjian of Douglas Elliman, this Malibu residence stands as one of the most extraordinary examples of coastal luxury living. It's more than just a property, it's a vision, a statement, and a symbol of success. Here, every moment is art. Every wall tells a story. Every window captures a new masterpiece painted by nature. This is where dreams find their address. American Dream Mansions, inspiring your imagination, redefining modern luxury, and taking you inside the most extraordinary homes across America. Subscribe now, and step into the world where elegance has no limits, and every home is a dream come true.